Hi, how's it going? I'm Curious and welcome to another artificial intelligence video. Today we're going to try something I've read about, that ChatGPT can help you make a viral video. But can it really make the whole video for you? Can we really get a good video out of what ChatGPT tells us? Let's try it out. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen now so we can take a closer look at it right here. And the very first step would be to identify the main idea, right? So I'm going to type on the shared screen you see, I want a good video. I'm going to put the idea is as follows. Well, let us take a look at this and see what we have here. The idea is, I want to share a video for YouTube that could go viral. It should be original, easy to record, and keep viewers' attention for 5 minutes. So that's basically the focus of what I want. I'm going to write it down for it. Let's see what it comes up with. If the goal is to get a lot of views, the idea needs to spark curiosity from the very first second and allow the viewer to play along with you, a proposal that delivers. That's this one, okay? So here it gives us 25 impossible challenges. And it actually managed to surprise me. And it tells you the hook and the development. I mean, here it tells you a bunch of things. The end of the 25 challenges, well, for now, it has given us the information for a video. And now I'm going to tell it that I need something more important than just knowing what titles I can give them, for this idea that it has suggested to us. And I'm going to say the following. I'm going to say, give me 5 titles that spark curiosity without being misleading, okay? So based on what it explained to me, it says 1. I gave ChatGPT 25 impossible challenges and this is what happened. 2. I wasn't expecting this answer from ChatGPT. 3. How far can ChatGPT go? I put it to the test with 25 challenges. Each challenge was harder than the last. Will it be able to overcome them? And finally, I tried to put ChatGPT on the spot and ended up surprised. If you're looking to maximize CTR on YouTube, my favorite would be, and it tells you the favorite, I gave ChatGPT 25 impossible challenges and this is what happened. There you go, title. We already have the perfect title. The next step would be, well, with the title and knowing that we have to record, we already have a lot done. By the way, if you like these artificial intelligence experiments and others we might do, please let me know in the comments, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave your ideas in the comments for things we could do and share here with everyone in our community. Alright, and now comes one of the most important parts. For me, this next one is very important. I'm going to ask it to describe a thumbnail that will make people want to click on the video. Alright? I mean, it's really important on YouTube that the title and the thumbnail together make the perfect hook, because in the end, that's the first thing you see visually. If that doesn't catch your interest, you'll never click on that video. So I want to see what colors it uses. Which is, what does that thumbnail offer? Let's see. Okay, it has already given us 2 thumbnails, 2 possible thumbnails, and it tells you that either one could work, number 1 or number 2. Number 1 tells you super clearly, 25 impossible challenges for ChatGPT, and it makes a sort of list. Can you beat them? And the second one says 25 ChatGPT challenges. Can you beat them? You see an image of the Laya robot. It shows the challenges behind it, and in this case, it puts the phone in the picture. Both are very good, but I think as a stronger idea, I personally like the second one more. I like it better. This one because it was like a whole, like everything together. I mean, I think I would go with this one, with image 2. Okay? I'll go with this one. Now we have the thumbnail, the title, and we know what the video is about. I think now we're missing the most important thing, which is the script. I would tell it, write me the first 45 seconds of the video so the viewer doesn't want to leave. Okay? And a script. Which typically continues for a duration of not approximately 5 full minutes in total, give or take. 5 minutes, that's it. So now what it's going to do is, well, there we have the script. We have the title, we have the intro. It tells you what you have to do. It tells you about the quick images, the cuts, the screenshots. It tells you everything. And then it starts with the video. challenge 1, challenge 2, how much time you need to spend on each challenge. It's all super calculated. And also for the middle of the video, it tells you what you have to say, and up to the end where there's the farewell, the final score example, and then it says goodbye. Then at the end, this is really great. What it does is it gives you a tip. It tells you for editing to keep the audience's attention, change the shot every 58 seconds, add a visible timer, update the score with a zoom, insert sound effects, brief memes, give small previews of the next challenge. In other words, at the end, it gives you a summary of what you have to do. I mean, tell me if we don't already have the whole idea done with title, thumbnail, introduction, script, so we can just go ahead and record it. I think it's incredible. Maybe you could give it your own twist. I could make some changes to fit my style, but you can do this yourselves. Just tell it to do this or change that, and you'd make it your own. But the main idea is right here. It couldn't be easier. I think it's impossible. Now I want to ask you something. Would you record the video with what ChatGPT tells you, or would you dare to do it your own way? I think it's really decent. Let me know in the comments if you would do it or not. I really enjoyed this video, honestly, seeing this with you all and realizing that you can actually create content for YouTube or social media with the help of ChatGPT and use it to help structure your ideas. Thank you. I really liked it. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. See you very soon. Until next time.